Today, I will teach you how to develop linear regression prediction model on weather temperature using weather dataset and use the model to predict new case weather temperature using Orange software. Firstly, drag file into the blank workflow and we must import our data. So there is info about our data display here, 200 instead, 7 features means no missing values. 7 features means it have 7 variables. As you can see, these are all the variables. In this case, we want to develop prediction model on weather, therefore we set temperature as our target and for the others as the features. A little reminder, we set a meta or skip when we do not use the variable, and target is for output value, meanwhile features is for input value. Make sure the type of the data is correct and click apply. After that, drag the data table and connect it with the file. Double click the data table and it will show all the data that we had imported. As you can see, the temperature column becomes gray because we set it as a target. Now we want to develop linear regression. Linear regression model very suitable for continuous data. Drag a linear regression into the workflow, double click and choose no regularization. Drag a data table and connect it with the linear regression. Before that, make sure that connect file into the linear regression also and rename it as a coefficient. This is display and output, which is in form of y equal to mx plus c. So write the formula on the report. As you can see, this is our formula in form y equal to mx plus c. After that, drag test and score and connect it with the linear regression and data file. Double click test and score and we will try an error cross validation, random sampling, leave one out, test on train data, test on test data. This is to see performance of model prediction. Compare all the value of MSE and choose the lowest MSE to give a better performance. For the random sampling, we can try and error all this value, which is repeat train test and training set size, to get a lowest value of MSE. Now we want to predict new set of data. Once again, drag the file and import new folder, which is new case video, and set its temperature as a target, same as before, and we click apply. And we rename it as a new data. And then drag prediction and connect it with the new data and linear regression. Double click the prediction and you can see the new value of temperature using linear regression. For information, you can use the formula before and substitute all this, and you can get the same value with linear regression. You can check it manually using formula that we have built before, and then link the prediction with a new data table. To see the output value, and we can rename it as a output data. So that is how we develop linear regression prediction model using coding software. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.